Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new entry or entries to your calendar and keep track of your events on the Additio application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on this icon in the upper left corner of the screen and click on Evaluation and Groups. Tap on one of your classes, click on this menu icon down below in the right side corner and tap on Calendar, which is the third option. Here you can see your weekly calendar, so you should tap on the relevant day, and you can also select it by tapping on the calendar icon at the top. So tap on the relevant or select the relevant time or day, then tap on the plus icon, and here you should type in your titles such as exam, and select the exact date and starting time. You can select whether you would like to set up an alert at the time of event 1, 5, 10, 15 minutes before, and so on. You can select the whether you would like it to be repeated or not, and you can also indicate the end time of it. Tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then your event has been added to your calendar. Here, if you use this arrow icon pointing to the right direction, you can go to the next week, and here you can check out the event that has been added to your calendar. So if you tap on it, you can check it out and edit it if you want to, or delete it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.